Today's current economics topic is of orphan drugs. Why these orphan drugs are in news in 2024? That is discussing through this video. First of all, we can understand what is meant by orphan drugs. Orphan drugs are the medicine which are used to treat the rarest diseases. Rarest disease means 1 out of 1,000 or less than will be the patients. The rarest diseases, patients are facing some challenges, especially in the availability of medicine. Sometimes that may not be available in our market. They need to import from abroad also. Major problem is that the cost of medicine will be high in most cases. That will not be affordable to the ordinary people. But the problem is that pharmaceutical companies are not taking that much initiative to make investment either in research or for the production. Because of this, because they will not get that much demand because of this rarest disease. Another thing is that even though the pharmaceutical institutions take initiative to produce that, sometimes from the part of the government they impose so much restriction in the application of that medicine or for the experiment. In such a ways, there are so many issues facing that medicines. By taking into considering the problems faced by this rarest disease patients, single bench justice of Delhi High Court directed the Union Minister of Parliament it take that much effort to assure the availability of medicine in our market and make a separate fund for that also. Whenever the patients are facing the challenges, that fund should support them and take that much initiative to protect these the rarest disease patients. That is a news related to this orphan drugs in 2024. Of course, related to this question, this explanation that will be sufficient. Okay, thank you.